Welcome back to Thoughts by Philip. Today's thought is how much experience is actually needed? And it's something I've wondered for some time, most often when seeing job posts of X amount of years experienced, or a former manager has said, I know better because I've done this for 20 years. And that's fair, that is understandable. But what does that experience actually entail? Because simply put, it is the amount of years I've had to practice this more than you with less amount of time spent. But what that actually means is here is how many times I have failed and subsequently learned from those failures so I don't repeat them. Because if you've done the same thing for 10 years but make the same mistakes, you're not going to amount to anything with it. It's not going to get you anywhere. It takes needing to make all the mistakes, all the failures, and learn from them so we don't repeat them. That's at its essence where experience comes from. And the beauty of that is that we can make many mistakes very early in our lifetimes and our careers. And what the challenge is to learn from them as soon as possible, to reflect and receive feedback in terms of what not to do next time. And that often will take a couple tries. It's rare that we're able to learn something the first time, but if we have enough mental capabilities and understanding, a single failure of all the sorts someone with 20 years of experience spent 20 years to obtain will get us the same amount of experience. And practically speaking, if we are able to prove however long those failures took to get us to, there is no experience requirement. There is a amount of failures and lessons from them requirement, and that's what we actually need and ask for when we say this role takes 8 to 10 years of experience. It comes down to failures and our willingness to learn from them, and fortunately we can start doing that anytime.